Module 1, Lesson 13, Comparisons of Numbers Written in Scientific Notation and Interpreting Scientific Notation Using Technology. So first of all, we're going to compare these two numbers written in scientific notation. We have the M82 star, that is 1.15 times 10 to the 7th light years from Earth, and Leo dwarf, that is 8.2 times 10 to the 5th light years from Earth. And we want to know who is closer to Earth. So if we were to expand these numbers out, which number would be larger? Well, this would definitely be larger because we're multiplying times 7 tens here. We're only multiplying by 5 tens here. So this is going to be the larger number, which means this one is further away. So if we want to know who is closer to Earth, this one is going to be the closer one. So when we are comparing numbers in scientific notation, we only need to compare the exponents. Unless those exponents are the same, and then we have to go to the actual number and compare it. All right, so 7 is greater than 5, therefore this is the larger number. So who is closer to Earth? This is the smaller number, so this is the one that's closer to Earth, and that would be the Leo dwarf. All right, so these two numbers should appear very similar to the two numbers we just compared, except I changed the exponent on this one. So if we're comparing these two numbers, and they're the same, then we have to go on and compare these numbers. So 1.15 is smaller than 8.2, so this would be the smaller number now, and this would be the larger number. All right, so we're going to compare the exponents first. The higher exponent is the larger number. If the exponents are equal, then we need to compare the number that's in front. All right, the next comparison is between pions and muons. These are something in science class. And again, we're going to compare the exponents first. Now we have to be careful because these are negative exponents. We have to think, -8 or -6, which is larger? Well, -6 is larger because it's further to the right on the number line. So the -6 is the larger number. So this is the larger number. So the muons is larger, pions is smaller. All right, we're going to do one more comparison here at the bottom. For comparing these two numbers, we first look at their exponents. They are equal. Therefore, we have to look at the other numbers. And we have to decide if 1.815 or 1.82 is larger. Some people will argue that 1.815 is larger because it has more digits in it. But we can always add digits after it. As long as we add zeros in there, we can add as many digits as we want. So 1.8, the next number though is a 2 here and a 5 here. 2 is larger, I'm sorry, a 2 here and a 1 here. A 2 is larger than a 1, therefore this is the larger one. Or some people will look at this as a 20 and a 15. 20 is larger than 15. So therefore, this is the larger number, not this. This one's smaller.